Also, it's my understanding that the silica you have is so unique, it cuts out the need for the antimony.
Yes.
Or reduces it.
Yeah.
Explain that to me.
Yeah, so basically, the way solar glass is produced is a lot of the silica sand in the world is contaminated with metal components like iron, aluminum, and things like that. And again, what we found through our metallurgy was that we had next to no iron or aluminum attached to our silica. There's a threshold that you need to hit for iron contaminants in order to have clear and efficient solar glass. And that threshold is about 70 ppm. In our raw form, our silica has under 10 ppm, so just as it sits in the ground. So we actually don't need to use antimony, where other solar glass manufacturers, because their source of silica is not sufficient, they have to source antimony, which is very expensive. It's a rare commodity. It's not easy to find. And then they have to dope that in order to bring the effects of the iron impurities down to make an efficient solar glass. So we get to avoid that completely. And what's interesting about that is by not using antimony in our solar glass, we cut about $30 million of operating costs off.